Hello there, guys, and today is a Tuesday, and yep, forgot to take out the garbage because I was so busy yesterday, just trying to do a lot of things, get things done. Got up late today, and yeah, I'm gonna be staying up all night again, doing all these things. So happens over and over again. So yeah, first of all, I just want to say hi to you guys and how you going. Uh, yeah, today's same old not good day. So here in Victoria, a lot of tradies has been protesting because they were asked to close down because because of the virus. It's been going around. The virus has been going around, and these tradies are not putting on masks while working because it's hard to work when you have mask on. So yeah, they have protests yesterday, and they have a protest today, and it's quite annoying because the thing is, they keep on breaking things. They went all the way to Westgate Bridge. If you're not from Victoria, you can research it about the Westgate Bridge. They walk all the way there. I'm not gonna put photos because I condemn what they're doing. I can see also two guys. Most of them two guys. There's one guy who keeps on filming, doing Facebook Live on what's happening. It's another guy also. He's not really a guy, but he does also film, do live videos. And the thing is, these people they think they're journalists. They think they're freedom fighters. They're doing this and they're filming, showing everyone what's happening. But in reality, they're just wannabes and just people creating a lot of friction. So what's happening when they showing that up? They're trying to provoke other people. They're not really doing it for the good, and it sucks. And you can see a lot of those rioters. I mean, not rioters, protesters. Some of them look like bikies, and they're like professional protesters. I don't know. It's just my thought, but I think, yeah, it's okay to protest. It's fine to fight for your right. But the thing is, at a time like this, with what's happening, you can't just be a dick and protest and create trouble. Because you can do a peaceful protest, just protest. That's it. People can see it, but you don't have to like act like, I don't know, dumb fuckwits. Anyway, okay. So yeah, that's just me hating them, hating what they do because we'll be stuck on a bit of like lockdown for more just because of what they did. But yeah, it's more than 3 minutes. I'm just gonna be cutting it here. I'm gonna be doing some things. I moved downstairs. I'm in the garage right now, and I didn't want to film, but I still filmed. So I still loving the setup. I have the FX3 and the 50. I might I don't know. I don't know. I'm still hating my day. So yeah, hopefully everything will be better soon. You take it, guys. Love you. Bye.